In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Cash App on Temu, and we're looking at a quick tutorial that'll only take about 2.5 minutes. First things first, let's get started by opening the Temu app or visiting their website on your preferred device. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, you want to be sure you're signed into your Temu account for a smooth shopping experience. Now that you're in, the fun begins. Browse through the endless array of products available on Temu and start adding those tempting finds to your shopping cart. Take your time to carefully select the items you want to purchase. Once you've made your selections, head over to your cart to review your items. It's always a good practice to double check the contents, ensuring that the sizes, quantities, and any other options are correct. Once everything looks good, it's time to proceed to checkout. This is where you'll sort out the payment details. At the checkout stage, you'll be presented with various payment methods. From this menu, you'll want to select Cash App as your preferred payment option. Cash App is a convenient choice, especially if you want to seamlessly manage your finances with just a few taps on your screen. After selecting Cash App, you may be redirected to the Cash App platform. This is a standard security measure to ensure your transaction is handled safely and efficiently. At this point, you'll need to log into your Cash App account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, the app will prompt you to authorize the payment. Authorization is crucial as it confirms you agree to the transaction, safeguarding you against any unauthorized payments. Carefully review the payment details to ensure they're accurate before proceeding. This may include the total amount you'll be charged and any additional fees or discounts applied to your order. When everything checks out, go ahead and confirm the payment. With the payment confirmed, you're almost at the finish line. Return to the Temu site or app where you'll find that your order is now complete. You might receive an order confirmation email or notification from Temu detailing your purchase and providing you with a reference number. It's always good to keep this for your records, just in case you need to track your order or contact customer service. And that's it! You've successfully paid using Cash App on Temu. Remember, while this process is simple, it's always important to stay vigilant about your online banking details and any unauthorized transactions. If you have any questions or run into issues during the process, reaching out to Temu's customer support or Cash App's help center can provide you with the necessary assistance. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping!